Welcome back, fellow hackers, and if you're new here today, hi! Thanks for stopping by. Today what we're doing is we're cleaning this hairbrush out with that glue. Yes, interesting, I know. So, what we're supposed to do is take the glue, pour it on top of here, and get all the little hair out of the hairbrush. So, if you're ready to see how this works, I am curious. Let's go. So we're just going to take the glue. I put it on top of this paper plate, so in case any of it spills out, then it should be okay. Plus I put wax paper down, which is already starting to come out. Let me know down in the comments if you think this is going to work. I don't see why it shouldn't work. I don't know how long it's going to take to dry though. I guess we'll find out, won't we? You can use any kind of glue. I just had this laying around. Let's see, did I get all the spots? Alright, it looks like I've got all of them. And when this dries, we're just supposed to easily be able to peel the glue off with getting the dirt and hair and all that stuff. So we're gonna let it sit here and dry, and I will be back and we will find out if it works. Alright, so it's been about 2.5 hours, and I did switch out the plate, hoping that it would help dry a little faster. And let's see if this works. Well, trying to get it started is a little harder. Maybe it does depend on how the glue is. I saw the hack as they were using white school glue, which is, you know, thicker. And I know it's not dry on the bottom completely, but the top is what I'm wanting to deal with. Maybe it's not as dry as I thought it was. So I'm gonna let it sit here for a little bit longer. Like I said, it's already been 2.5 hours, so even if it's a hack, even if it's a headache, hell, I don't know what I mean. If it's a hack, is it gonna be worth it? Because you're gonna get glue everywhere. I guess we'll find out. Alright, I'll be back when it's completely dry. Okay, so while I was cleaning the back off, I pulled some of this up. So let's see if that's gonna help. After 3 hours later. Has anybody done this yet? Have they seen the hack and tried it? If so, let me know down in the comments, please. All your comments are very important to me. I read all of them and respond to every single one. Now, when I saw it, they just pulled it right off. That doesn't look like it's going to happen with this one. It might be due to the fact that which is going to suck if I can't get this out, but due to the fact that the glue is thinner, maybe, because that school glue is so thick. Maybe I'll do another video with the school glue, thick white school glue. I know y'all don't want to sit around watching me get glue out of a hairbrush for the rest of the day. So we're going to call this a headache and a hack, because it does work, but it also is a headache to get it all out. Now maybe if you had a different brush, different glue, the big thick white school glue, that might work better. So today, I don't know if this has ever happened before, but today we have a hack and a headache. So if you enjoyed my video today, please give me a thumbs up, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything I could have done any differently. If you guys have done it, if any of y'all have done it, how it worked out for you, what kind of brush you used, what kind of glue you used. So thank you, my friends, for being here with me today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Most of you that watch aren't. So if you can subscribe, that will help me out and help me get more videos out. And also, hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when the next fun, adventurous video comes out. Alright, thanks you guys. Y'all have a great day. Bye.